Hey folks, welcome to Automotive Technica. This is Yogesh, and in this video we are going to see the horn of Royal Enfield Classic Reborn and see the sound of it. So this is what the OE horn comes, which is of low tone. I believe this looks to be Minda from low tone, and this, if you see the old bullets, it used to come with dual horn, the dual tone, low and high. So let's see how it sounds. You need to start the vehicle. Yeah, that's the low tone. So that's the low tone, and it's not enough on the highways. So if you have a little bit of reverberating dual tone horn, which used to come in the old bullets, that will help. Yeah, I have the answer for this. So this is Wave 95 from Hella. It is two horn set. One is low tone and one is high tone. So let's fit this and see how it sounds. So there are two bolts. One is directly on the clamp of where the horn is fitting. This is along with the clamp, this particular mount. And here on the chassis there is one bolt. So you have to remove this and utilize this particular clamp so that if you can fit it with the U shape here, that's fine. Otherwise, if it is a straight one, you can use directly the two clamps of Hella. So folks, the wire which is coming and going directly to the horn, this is found to be positive and this is found to be the negative, the ground. And I have just put the beading with the heat shrink, and I have inserted it to the positive terminal and the negative terminal. This is a Y cable, which is nothing but parallel connection to the two horns, which is this is the high tone and that is the low tone. The low tone I fixed it. Now it is Hella, replacing the original UNO MINDA from the supplier to Royal Enfield, which was the original RE, and this clamp I retained from the MINDA horn. So it has got a slight notch which can hold it properly onto the chassis. So now the other side, which is gone to the positive terminal and negative terminal, similarly it comes to the parallel, one to the positive and to the negative. So let's fire up and see how it works. So now it has been stable. This should come, helmet should go, and it should wait until the fuel pump stabilizes. Now we can start the engine. Well, so the engine is started. Now we'll blow the horn. Wow, that's fantastic. So this is the one where I feel you need to adjust these wires, guide it properly and tie it up so that they don't brush each other. So that's the final thing we have to do. And yeah, once again. Haha, that's good. So guys, if you like my videos, subscribe to my channel Automotive Technica. If you have any comments, please ask any questions in the comment section. And yeah, stay blessed.